Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 1 centavo coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Now let's continue. This is the 1 centavo coin. On the upper side you will see 1 centavo, and this is the man sitting with a Mayon volcano. And on the lower side you will see here the year 1958. Oh, and I will show you the other side of this coin. This is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And on the side, you will see here Central Bank of the Philippines. So let's continue. A 1958 1 centavo coin is a Philippine circulation coin from the English series featuring the coat of arms on the obverse front and a seated man with Mayon volcano on the reverse, made of bronze or copper zinc alloy, and while common, its specific value depends on condition. It was part of a series minted in the USA, United States of America from 1958 to 1963 with inscription including Central Bank of the Philippines and Republic of the Philippines. So now let's talk about the coin details. Series Republic of the Philippines, reverse coat of arms with the Central Bank of the Philippines, reverse seated man with Mayon volcano and 1 centavo. Materials: bronze or copper zinc alloy, minted in the USA, part of the 1958-1963 series. So now let's talk about the value. Condition matter. Uncirculated or higher grade like XFAU are worth more to collectors, but still generally modest, ranging from under $1 to a few dollars. So now let's check your coins. For personal valuation, compare its condition to images on coin collecting sites like Nomista, or check current listings on eBay for sold prices. So guys, the value of this coin, it depends on the condition, and of course if the grade is XF or AU, it means there is a high value. So if you have a coin like this one, check it carefully. It might be a valuable and collectible coin. So but anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Thank you.